to discuss about two new topics. A very simple one, though it is new, but very simple one, x-intercept and y-intercept. Hassan, can you elaborate a bit about x-intercept and y-intercept? What are your understanding regarding these two topics?
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain. Okay. I'm giving you hint. I have drawn XY plane. This hint is for the whole class. I can ask anyone. Here we have XY plane. A line cuts x-axis at point P1. A line cuts y-axis at point P2. So we can say that line intercepts x-axis at point P1. Line intercepts y-axis at point B2. आप ये कह सकते हैं कि नहीं कह सकते? बिल्कुल कह सकते हैं. और ये सारी बातें क्वेश्चन में हुई भी हैं पिछले, तो इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा था. And we all know any point which lie on x-axis will have its y component as 0. This will only have value for x component. So the value of x is called x-intercept when y is 0. This is the definition of x-intercept. The value of x is called x-intercept. Not all the value of x is called x-intercept. The value of x for which y is 0. तो ये मैंने इसकी ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन दी है आपको, जो हम क्वेश्चन में देखते थे कि x एक्सिस डिवाइड करता है एक लाइन को, y एक्सिस डिवाइड करता है एक लाइन को. तो वो जो x एक्सिस डिवाइड कर रहा था लाइन को, वो x इंटरसेप्ट था. वो जो y एक्सिस डिवाइड करता था, वो y इंटरसेप्ट था. सिमिलरली फॉर P2, as P2 lies on y axis, its x component will be 0. It has covered some distance on y axis, so we suppose its y component as y. So the value of y is called y-intercept, not all the value. The value for which x is 0. So here it is written, the value of y is called y-intercept, but for y-intercept, the value of x will be 0. I hope you will got my point for x-intercept and y-intercept. If you have any question,
Yes, sir.
you can raise your hand and ask me. Hassan, do you
Yes,
have any
sir.
question now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Everything
It
is clear? Now
Yes, sir.
explain the concept of x-intercept and y-intercept for the whole class. Everyone is listening you,
Sir,
including me.
x-intercept is the value of x on which the value of y is 0. It means the point on x-axis has the value of x which will be called x-intercept.
Okay.
And y-intercept is the value of y for which x will be 0. So we can say that the point on y-axis the point on y-axis whose y coordinate will be called y-intercept.
Excellent, excellent explanation. Very good. Now we are moving on to the next slide to see the solution of the question that involves x-intercept and y-intercept. So I am taking the pen right now. All understand this question carefully. Working is very simple. Working is very simple. Question says find x and y intercept. We have to find x and y intercept of this straight line. We have given an straight line 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. Why I am saying straight line? Because it is a linear equation and we all know linear equation always represents a straight line. So here that line is written 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. First we are going to find out x-intercept. As we discussed now, to find out x-intercept, we have to take the value of y0 because x-intercept is the value of x for which y0. So by definition, we are taking the value of y0. So in place of this y, we will take 0. So when you multiply 5 by 0, the net result becomes 0. So we got here 3x minus 15 as 0. Shift this minus 15 to right side, this will become positive 15. After dividing both sides by 3, we got the value of x as 5. So this value of x 5 gives us x-intercept because for this value y is 0. So we have calculated x-intercept of this line, which is 5. So in next part, we are going to find out y-intercept. By definition, y-intercept is the value of y, but for this y, x will be 0. So what we are doing here, we will substitute 0 in place of x here. So 3 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. Then we have minus 5y minus 15. Here we have minus 5y minus 15. Shift this minus 5y to other side. This will become positive. Positive 5y minus 15. Now divide both sides by 5. Minus 15 by 5 gives us minus 3. So this value of y gives us y-intercept, because for this y, x is 0. So we have learned here how to calculate x-intercept and y-intercept for a line. We have done this one. If you have any question, raise your hand and ask me. Yes, student. Hassan, do you have any question to ask?
No, sir.
Everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are moving on to the next slide. In next slide, we are doing the same. Our curve is 9x square is equal to y square. And for this curve, they are asking us to find out its x-intercept. So I am taking the pen right now. X-intercept is our heading. To calculate x-intercept, we have to choose y0. So when you will substitute y0 here in the equation, 0 square gives us 0. So we got here 9x square, 0. Dividing both sides by 9. Who is in the chat? Hamza Naeem. Sir, is this type of questions come in MCQs? Yes. They are given in the MCQs paper. As we have started a new topic, so we are practicing how to find x-intercept and y-intercept for any line. These minor concepts will be given in important question and long questions. So we are practicing here for MCQs. I hope you got the answer. Hamza Naeem. 9x square is 0, dividing both sides by 9. X square 0. On taking root both sides, x becomes 0. So we have computed the x-intercept by putting y0. We are moving on to the next slide. It is very simple. Who is in the chat? Okay, इन्होंने okay लिखा है. ठीक है हमजा नहीं. In order, I am taking the pen right now. So our heading is y-intercept. Y-intercept means the value of y for which x is 0. So we have taken x0. When you will put x0 in the equation, you will get 0 is equal to y square. On taking square root both sides, y is 0. So here curve is passing through the origin. Who is in the chat? We have very few time left. So sir, last slide show करें. Previous slide, you mean previous slide, Muzammil Mahmood? क्योंकि this is my last slide. Yes, okay, I am showing you the previous slide. We have 1 minute left. Take the picture. I am going to recapitulate whatever we have discussed in this class.